Hey guys, this is Andra with Lake RV, and I think that Lake RV should be at the top of the best companies to work for list. Want to know why? Because when your employee says that they need to go on vacation for a week, you let them. We truly believe in work, personal life balance. So if you work hard and you get your stuff done and you put in the hours, you will get that in return. So that pretty much goes with anything, but we do believe in that. So if you want to become part of the Lake RV family, contact us. You can call the office, you can message us on Instagram or Facebook. If you are good with RV repairs or mechanical or cleaning, anything like that, we are always looking for part-time workers, full-time workers, and we are open to hiring people if they are the right person. So if you're looking for that, contact us. She is out for a week, so I'm here cleaning trailers, toilets, showers, dirty sinks and fridges. But you know what? You step in and you get it done, because that's what you do for your employees, because that's what they do for us on a daily basis, way more than we do for them. So to all our employees, we appreciate you. And to everyone else out there, work hard and you will get the return.